Okay, guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a flight review. This flight is on Thailand Air. The flight number is SL932, and I'm flying out of Don Mueang International Airport and flying to Chengdu, China. Of course, I get to take the bus. It's a shuttle bus between the airport and the plane. It makes the ticket cheaper, apparently. It kind of sucks. This flight was in May of 2026. Here's the plane. It's a Boeing 737-900ER. She's an older plane, but in my opinion, she has much more comfortable seats than most of the newer ones. I was quite impressed with that. It's the most comfortable seat I've had on a cheap airline in a while. My first time flying with Thailand Air as well. I did get the emergency exit, so that was nice, a little bit more leg room. Very much appreciated, that's for sure. And the flight seemed to be sold out. It was pretty full, that's for sure. A very uneventful flight, which is always a good thing. Nothing to complain about, nothing to even really remember. Just a nice, quiet flight. Except the landing was a little bit interesting. Nothing to do with the plane or the pilots. Just everybody stood up as soon as the plane landed when we got to China. And then the plane moved again, with most of the overhead compartments open and half the people standing. That wasn't good.
We would like to inform you that the safety law
Soon be time to go. And here we go. This is about a 3-hour flight. Here's the food options. Pretty slim pickings. I didn't see very many people buy anything. And there's absolutely nothing included, not even a glass of water. And there we are, in China. Like I said, very uneventful, as every flight should be. As you hope every flight is going to be. It's not always the case. The only exciting part was when everybody decided to stand up about a kilometer from the gate. and then the plane moved again. Not sure where they thought they were going, but most of them nearly fell down. All right, guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one. It's time to explore.